Etong grupo sa Gensan ay naglilinis ng mga kanal for free. Sila ang Team PH, a group of content creators who turned their passion into a mission. Kung dati gumagawa lang sila ng mga patawa, now they're cleaning up their city, one plastic bag at a time. It all started with a coastal cleanup at Lions Beach. They challenged themselves na makakolekt ng 100 plastic bags ng basura. The result, nag-viral ang video nila that made people realize kung gaano kalala ang problema natin sa basura. Now they're not stopping. Kahit sa kanal, gilid ng kalsada at sa dalampasigan, kahit saan may basurang nagkalat, nandun sila. Plastic wrappers, bottles, lumang gamit, lahat isinasako nila. They're on a mission and they won't stop until the streets are clean. And they're not alone. The community is joining in. From local businesses to everyday people, Team PH is inspiring change. Pati ang mayor ng General Santos City napansin na ang ginagawa nila, showing support for their cleanup efforts. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa paglilinis. Tungkol ito sa pagiging responsable. Ang basura hindi basta nawawala. It clogs canals, floods cities, and destroys marine life. Team PH knows this, and they're proving that small actions make a big impact. They started as entertainers. Now they're environmental warriors. And the best part, kahit sino pwedeng sumali sa kanila. This is Brother Earth. Help a brother, save the earth.